pero merong problema sila sa DPWH yung paglilipat
Ayun
na
sa road widening,
na yung mga
tapos
kalsada,
nandun yung poste.
naiwan yung poste sa gitna. So, hindi rin effective
Useless.
yung road widening dahil nandun pa yung mga poste.
I'm not sure if I was able to encounter that in the hearing, no? Pero personally, I encountered that problem na which I forgot to mention with our friends from Meralco. But siguro please give me some time to look into it because that's a valid concern. Ang importante sa akin talaga yung laging may mekanismo sila na handa na ito may mangyayari diyan. And ikaw na rin nagsabi, Sir Raymond, na minsan hindi Meralco because DPWH, kahit gustong gawin ng Meralco, merong mga concerned agencies or sometimes the